so cute.
Maybe I was really good at essays, and maybe Matt over here was really good at math.
Just kids in there.
And in that way, we'll always learn differently. So even though Mabel is the subdominant companion,
He is both.
he likes to turn. Peggy,
Dude, I'm
her
like getting
style of
goosebumps
learning is
because
that
I'm so
she already
excited.
knows
It's
how
so
to do
bad.
everything.
Ariana, over here.
Enough to figure it out and break it. She will come out. Artie can learn a behavior, the young guy, in about, I want to say, 3 weeks to a month. Whereas the
Okay, this is my best
older
one.
ladies, 2 to 3 months.
No, I just got
So some of the things that these guys voluntarily participate in, again, are
literally.
three behaviors or behaviors that help us to take care of them. And some of those might be a withdrawal, a vaccination, they do radiograph imaging on their feet, so they'll show us if there's something that's going to get your attention. About every 14 to 21 days. As you can imagine, 8,000 pounds, that's a lot of weight to load onto your feet, so just making sure that those toes are nice and healthy. What else we train with them? A lot of stuff. They are a zoonotic disease that these guys can get from us and we can get from them is tuberculosis. So we do TB testing about 4 times out of the year, all bundled together in one unit. And they're all negative, but they do participate in giving us kind of like a really fixed liver sample to make sure that they don't have tuberculosis. Do you guys have any questions so far? Anything you might want to know about Mabel, African elephants, or Asian elephants?
What did you say about their communication when they vibrate?
Yeah,
That you know
so
they're having
they communicate through seismic vibration.